Hey Tool Nuts, I'm Doug with toolnut.com. Today we're going to be unboxing the new DeWalt Atomic Series 20 volt brushless 3/8 ratchet. So as I normally start here, I'm going to be showing the kit. This right now is available from DeWalt as a kit or a bare tool. The kit will come with one 2 amp hour battery and a charger. Bare tool, it's the other way this is being sold by DeWalt. It comes with no kit bag, no charger, and no battery. So you'd have to be part of the DeWalt 20 volt platform to be able to use the tool. Also, I figured I'd mention, this is also available in a 1/2 inch ratchet from DeWalt. It is not being sold, however, currently in a 1/4 inch version ratchet. So as you can see, obviously so far we have the tool itself, we have the charger, and then we also have the 2 amp hour battery from DeWalt and a carry bag and the manual. I did mention that they're not offering this as a 1/4 inch drive ratchet. There are step adapters that you can get to put on here to reduce the anvil down to a 1/4 inch. So right now, like I said, this is the 3/8 version. They're making a 1/2 inch version, both a kit and a bare tool, but not a 1/4. But you have that adapter if that's something you wanted to do. So let's just power it up real quick here, and we'll just go over it. All the specs and other information is going to be available on toolnut.com. You can check it out. The biggest thing with this is that this is a ratchet. It's not an impact wrench. So with this, you can use these, regular sockets, the silver sockets, or you can use the impact ready, which are generally a black, heavier duty socket. But on this, because it's not an impact wrench, you can use standard sockets on this. All right, so pretty easy to install there. This is up to 70 foot-pounds of torque on this unit. There is a lockout here. You can see if I'm trying to hit the trigger, it's not working. If I unlock it, and you can see immediately starts spinning. You have a nice LED light built into it to illuminate the area if it's darkened. The other reason for the lockout, you can use this manually, ratchet, so without power, and that's so you don't accidentally maybe hit the trigger while you're using it that way. For the forward and reverse on this, very simple. It's going to be right here on the head. If I just twist that, you can see. Now I'm loosening, and if I go back the other way, I'm going to be tightening it. All right, so that's basically it. You can see it's just nice, lightweight, compact. This is, I think, just over or just under 2.5 pounds on the tool itself. So not a lot of weight. Ergonomics are good on it. Again, for any of the other specs or information, or if you want to order this tool now, head over to toolnut.com.